Title: How to Make Money Online, a comprehensive guide to stocks, investments, surveys, and selling on Amazon and Walmart. Intro. Host: Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of making money online. We'll explore various methods, including stocks and investments, online surveys, and selling on Amazon and Walmart. So, if you're looking to boost your income from the comfort of your home, this video is for you. Let's get started. Section 1: Stocks and Investments. Host: First up, let's talk about stocks and investments. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. Here are some tips to get started. 1. Do your research, understand the basics of the stock market and the companies you're interested in investing in. 2. Start with a small investment, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. 3. Use a reliable trading platform, choose a platform with low fees and a user-friendly interface. 4. Stay informed, keep up with financial news and market trends to make informed decisions. Remember, investing in stocks carries risks, so always be prepared for the ups and downs of the market. Section 2: Online Surveys. Host: Next, let's discuss online surveys. Participating in paid surveys can be an easy way to make some extra cash. Here's how to get started. 1. Sign up for reputable survey sites. Look for well-known sites with positive reviews. 2. Complete your profile, provide accurate information to receive surveys tailored to your interests. 3. Be consistent, the more surveys you complete, the more you can earn. 4. Redeem your rewards, most sites offer cash or gift cards as payment options. Keep in mind that while online surveys can provide some extra income, they're not a get-rich-quick solution. Section 3: Selling on Amazon and Walmart. Host: Finally, let's explore selling on Amazon and Walmart. These platforms offer huge marketplaces for sellers to reach millions of customers. Here's how to get started. 1. Choose your niche, pick a product category that you're passionate about and has demand. 2. Source your products, find reliable suppliers or create your own products. 3. Create a seller account, register on Amazon Seller Central or Walmart Marketplace. 4. Optimize your listings, use high-quality images, write compelling product descriptions, and research keywords to improve your product's visibility. 5. Manage your inventory, keep track of your stock levels and reorder products when necessary. 6. Provide excellent customer service, respond to customer inquiries promptly and handle any issues professionally. 7. Promote your products, utilize social media, email marketing, and other promotional strategies to drive traffic to your listings. 8. Analyze your performance, monitor your sales data and make adjustments to improve your store's performance over time. Remember, selling on Amazon and Walmart requires dedication and hard work, but with the right approach, it can be a lucrative way to make money online. Outro. Host: And there you have it. We've covered stocks and investments, online surveys, and selling on Amazon and Walmart as ways to make money online. Remember, each method has its own set of challenges and rewards, so choose the one that best suits your interests and goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your online money-making journey. End screen. Host: Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on how to grow your online income. See you in the next video.